Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will discuss the issue when Noscript tag in head contains invalid HTML elements, why it is so important, how to check and how to fix the issue. Why it is so important? The Noscript tag defines alternate content for users that have disabled scripts in their browser or have browsers that doesn't support scripts. With it can be used both in the head and the body. When used inside the head, it must contain only link, style and meta elements. The inclusion of other HTML elements can be problematic for such agent crawlers that do not render JavaScript. In example, most crawlers most of the time. The presence of other elements break the head, which may cause important text, for example, meta robots, to be missed. How to check the issue? To find it, check the source code. Access the page with your Chrome browser, right-click and pick View Page Source. Then, manually search for Noscript tags that should not be in the head section. The easier way is to scan your website with our site audit tool and see the list of all the issues your website has in terms of technical SEO, including invalid Noscript HTML elements in head section. This issue will trigger for any internal URL that contains Noscript in the head with an invalid element, in example, anything other than link, style and meta elements. Here is an example of invalid Noscript in the head. How to fix the issue? You will first need to establish what the Noscript is and what is it doing. It may be possible to simply move the Noscript out of the head and into the body where such elements are valid. All invalid elements should be removed from the Noscript if it is to remain in the head. This is true even for Facebook tracking code, which is a common example we see triggering this rule. The Facebook tracking pixel consists of two parts, script and Noscript. The latter is designed to track visitors who have JavaScript disabled in their browser. Unfortunately, they include an image element within the Noscript which breaks the head as described above, and this case is not immune simply because Facebook said you should do it. There are two potential solutions for this specific Facebook problem. First, just put the Noscript bit in the body if you trust random users on Stack Overflow, this will work just fine. Or just delete the Noscript bit entirely and ignore the fact that a minuscule amount of users might have JavaScript disabled and therefore won't be included in your conversion tracking data. That was it for today. In case you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and if you still have any other questions, feel free to reach out at support@sitechecker.pro.